Hey guys, the brake lights are on and there's no one on the brake. Not good. This is a quick, cheap, and easy fix. Here you have your brake switch and you see this white plunger over here. When this is pushed in, this gives the signal that you are no longer on your brakes. Your brake lights will turn off. When you push your brake pedal, the plunger comes out and it signals that you are on your brakes. The lights will turn on. You see this hole over here? That houses this pedal stopper. So that helps push this plunger in when you're no longer on your brake pedal. And now you can see I'm releasing the brake pedal and the plunger is not being pushed in. So that is why your brake light stays on. One thing to note that when you push your brake pedal a few times, when the engine is off, your brake pedal will get quite stiff. So you need to turn your engine on. Your brake booster will work, which basically assists you in braking because it uses engine vacuum. Just take your pedal stopper and push it in. All done. I have the engine on. Let's test this. The brake lights should be on now, and now they should be off. I can't actually see it, but I have two recordings going on at the same time, but it should be fine. On, off. When your pedal stopper breaks, obviously you wouldn't have this part on you, and driving with your brake lights constantly on isn't safe. Plus, you will drain your battery when you park your vehicle. However, there is a workaround. The thickness of this stopper is 4 millimeters, and the hole that it goes into, the diameter is 8 millimeters. So what I did, I have a few of these clips lying around. There are various clips that are used to hold up, for example, plastic panels in your car. So this is one of the smaller ones. So I just took the top and I fit this in. The thickness is almost the same. Now you'd want it to be close to the same thickness, 4 millimeters, because if it is too thick, what would happen then? You would be braking and your lights will stay off. And the opposite would happen if you put something too thin, then the switch will not trigger, meaning your lights stay on even though you're not braking. You can also just insert a bolt, make sure the thickness is roughly the same, or get a piece of paper, just fold it and place it over the hole, wrap tape around it, and you're good to go. In my case, I was already prepared because I bought this part around 2 years ago because the clutch pedal uses the same part number, the same pedal stopper. On your clutch pedal, you do have a switch also, and the purpose of that is to disengage your cruise control if it's enabled when you push in the clutch pedal. Hope this video helps. As always, thanks for watching.